Huge thank you to anyone taking time out of their day to watch this video. It really means a lot. A special shout out to this gentleman right here, Nick. None of this would have been possible without him. Nick is an ocean specialist who takes people on unforgettable adventures. Since I was a kid, I've always dreamed of going out into the ocean and snorkeling. And Nick, if you're watching this, you made that kid's dream come true. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video.
That's sick. So recycled? That's pretty much what you're saying?
In the beginning, Nick was giving us a little bit of a show and tell of his ocean arsenal, and these spear guns were awesome. You could see Sylvester holding it like an AK. So this wasn't just a first time experience for me, this was a first time experience for everyone, and everything is honestly memorable from start to finish, even putting on the wetsuit.
No, you've got one leg through an arm. Bro, that's more common. We're gonna be doing it in a spot where it's gonna feel a bit high pressure. So like being extremely familiar with how they go on and off on a muscle memory basis is essential. Most people don't take this seriously right now, but they have an experience. Over your knee, bring the fin to your hands. Because when we're in the water, you're going to be all sandy and wet. Getting in and out of the fins is like not as...
That was...
At this point, everyone's nerves were up. You could feel the tension in the air, not from fear, but from stepping into the unknown. We were about to enter an element we couldn't control, a force that demands respect, the ocean. It doesn't matter how strong you are, how brave you act, out there, you have to surrender. You don't fight it, you feel it, and you move with it. Everything about this day was an experience, raw, real, and honestly, humbling. It reminded us how small we really are and how powerful nature is. And believe it or not, the most frustrating part of this whole thing was putting on the fins.
Yeah, check it out. So that's a black perch. Super common, super sustainable, no particular regulations, and they're pretty good to
You just witnessed the worst handoff in history. Nick did a great job. He ended up catching a bunch of fish. He ended up catching lobster just for us to see because they're not in season. And he ended up harvesting some sea urchin as well. We're going to do a little bit of a catch and cook. Enjoy.